In today's video, I'll show you how to create a smart, rich filter in Jira, even if you're completely new to the feature. This is a great way to make your dashboards clearer and your issue data easier to understand. To begin, log into your Jira account and open the Apps section. From there, choose the option to explore more apps. This is where you can add tools that extend Jira's functionality. In the search bar, type Rich Filters and install the app. Once it's installed, you'll see it appear in the left side menu. Next, click on Rich Filters to open the main workspace. Here, look for the option to create a new rich filter. When prompted, give your filter a clear and meaningful name so you can easily recognize what it's used for later. After naming it, you'll be asked to select an existing Jira filter. This base filter defines which issues your smart filter will work with, so choose one that already matches the type of data you want to track. Then confirm to create the rich filter. Now comes the smart part. Inside your new rich filter, switch to the Smart Filters tab. Click on the option to create a smart filter and give it a descriptive name based on what you want to highlight, such as priority, status, or assignee. Once that's done, create a smart clause. This is where you add conditions using JQL. For example, you can set rules to show only high-priority issues or tasks that are still open. You can also assign colors to each clause, which makes your data much easier to scan visually on dashboards. You can repeat this process to add multiple smart clauses, allowing you to slice your data in different ways and get quick insights at a glance. And that's how you create a smart, rich filter in Jira. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.